Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Burundi. So let's get started. So as we can see here, Burundi is having thousands of people uh, unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can just sell the products to our business owners and potential buyers. So here we can just go to the Fiverr. Okay, so here we can see, so here we have the great video. So what to sell you on Fiverr? You can sell your services like video editing, image cropping, image like digital designing, game designing, and other products. Okay, and Fiverr is a great platform to use. You can just use it. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.